Pankaj Srivastava, CEO of UnoSearch. Today we are going to discuss about what is UnoSearch. UnoSearch, in one sentence, is an expertise as a software, expertise of digital marketing, particularly search engine optimization. The software is created to help small and local business owners who do not have huge marketing budget, and for them marketing, what matters is the footfalls, the phone calls, inbound phone calls and messages. The marketing for them is not views, clicks and impressions and so on. The input to the software is given by local business owners. Input as in data which matters for search engines. They provide us reviews, photos, the posts, store updates and so on. The input given by the business owners in the form of reviews, photos and post, that is used by software to automate the maximum repetitive tasks, and the software is backed by expert search engine optimization experts and support staff, which works hand in hand with the local business owner. UnoSearch software has a major algorithmic breakthrough. It has 3 modules. The first one is website builder. The website builder is created in such a way that anyone in the world can create a website in few clicks without any technical knowledge. A business owner can create by himself or herself. If they want a little bit support from our staff, we do provide that. It has an editor. Anyone can write the content, just press publish and the web page is uploaded. You can upload photos, you can upload videos, you can write store updates and anything you want with the website. The second software, the second tool which the software provides is online prominence booster. Once you have a website, the one thing we experienced, what matters most for the local business owners is the footfalls, the customer footfalls, the inbound calls, non-shared inbound leads. So for that, any local business needs to create online presence in the area, and this particular modules help in that. There is a Google My Business optimization which is being done by the software. Through this, business owners can get reviews, more reviews with the help of the software, which sends messaging invite to the customers. Reply to review templates have been given so that the business owners can reply to their customers' reviews and show to the search engine that their customers matter for them. Photos, videos can be scheduled through the software, so which reduces the manual work. That's how even a local business owner with a very limited budget also can do local search engine optimization and build local prominence. Last but not the least, one of the most important tool which this software provides is the SEO tools, built-in SEO tools, which requires a very less search engine optimization knowledge to do the local SEO. Coming in local search is one of the topmost priority for any business which ask for local footfalls to come to them and not go to their competitors. So that's how this SEO tools module works. Now, the entire software is not standalone. We have a team of expert, hand-picked search engine optimization experts who back all the time the business owners. They work hand in hand with them. We have software developers who all the time they work to bring the breakthroughs in the local search algorithm of the software so that we can empower local business owners to increase their return on investment. Finally, UnoSearch is a humble attempt to empower small and medium scale business owners across the world to increase the return on investment on their marketing spend. We say that we optimize for revenue and not for conversation. For a small local business owner, views, clicks, impressions does not matter in our experience. What matters to them is the customer footfalls, and that's what UnoSearch assures. Thank you.